Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate Facebook Messenger. All right. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Messenger. Then tap on this three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Tap on it. Once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the gear icon right here at the top. Tap on it. In this section, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option called Personal Details right here under Meta. Tap on it. In here, in Account Settings, go ahead and tap on Personal Details. All right. Tap on it. Now in this page, go ahead and tap on Account Ownership and Control. All right. Tap on it. And as you can see here, deactivation or deletion is available. Tap on this one. Select the account. For example, this one right here. All right. As you can see, just hit on continue. Again, hit on continue. Now it's going to require you to add your password. For example, here. And then it's going to land you to this page if you have an Instagram connected. All right. And as you can see here, just select the reason why you wanted to deactivate your account. For example, I spent too much time on Facebook. Hit on continue. All right. And this is the last button right here. Just hit on continue and you'll be good to go. The great thing about this is that when you log in next time to either Facebook or Messenger, you can easily recover your account. All right. That's basically how you do it. Once you have deactivated your Facebook and Messenger, go back to home screen and delete Messenger and also Facebook. All right. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.